What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Darwin Island. It is bright early morning, as you can see. I should have got my sunglasses. It's currently 6:47. Everyone's just slowly getting up, and we will get ready and then head out to Sangalaki, which is somewhere over there. That island over there, if you can see it. So today we'll be swimming with manta rays, hopefully, and then do a couple more dives around that area. That's the schedule for today. Look at all this fish down here. I don't know if you can see them. There's so many fish down here. There's some alligator mantas swimming around as well. So the little sea life here is very abundant and beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if breakfast is available, and then get that, and then get ready and meet up with everyone else. Alright, ciao.
So this is Sangalaki Island. You can see it's a very small island, and nobody living on the island. Oh, of course it's a resort. Only one resort here and turtle hatchery. Sangalaki is a very shallow dive. It's maximum 18 meters. It's around here. So for the first dive today, it's Manta parrot. So the manta is now in the inner reef here. So you can see on the map, have inner reef, and then sandy channel, and then reef again, and then channel, reef, channel. Yeah. So manta parrot is 18 meters around the sandy channel here. But manta now I think in the 5 meters. On the 5 meters, very shallow dive. Yeah. We're just gonna follow the current. Yeah, from the west to east to the 2 lighthouse there. Yeah, of course, please stay behind your dive guide always.
Welcome back, guys. We are back on Darwin. Today was such an amazing day. The mantas did put up a fantastic show down at Sangalaki, and it was totally worth the amount of money just to get here, just to see this, just to see these manta rays. Holy cow, it was so amazing. But I am knackered. 3 dives, snorkeling. Woo. Hopefully my videos came out good. So I will download that shortly. And holy cow. I can't believe black manta rays, or ninja mantas, and tons and tons of reef mantas just swimming over our heads, feeding on all the plankton and the micronutrients. Whew. What a day. I'm gonna miss this. Now Sangalaki has set the bar up so high, and I don't know if I can actually dive anywhere else. Oh, too bad, Colin. Too bad you weren't here, or else you would have just died and gone to heaven. I swear. You would have just went. You would just popped. Your brain would have just went boom. But anyhow, right now I'm just back. Gotta clean up, and then head out. Maybe trying to fly the drone. It's not as windy as it is. So that's it for today. Gonna head out, have some dinner with the guys, and then there's a 8 p.m. Another seminar on plastics in the ocean. Should be a very good an hour seminar, and then that's it for today. Day 1 of diving complete. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We are going to Jellyfish Lake. Alright guys, see you later.